gift shop here in Huna. Oh, $30. You can get a pin, babe. Look.
It's our own personal boat. While watching boats, so
Okay. All right, thank you. $30 for a t-shirt. No. All right. Walk in and walk out, right? Mm-hmm. All right, back to the ship. Hello. All right. So here is one of the free trams that will take you into town. I only saw this one operating today, so I don't know if they have several of them or not. But this will take you into town. There wasn't a whole lot to do in town that I could tell. Maybe a couple shops, a couple restaurants. You have the beachfront over this way. And you can go down there to the beach. Just walk along the shore. That's pretty much it. Now there's a tribal dance performance over here, but I want to say that's not included. So I believe they were selling tickets as part of the shore excursion, where you go in there and you'll see a performance. This might be why these people are in line here. So yeah, actually, the town shuttle tickets are $5. So they're $5. They have whales watching here, zip rider, kayak, ATV, but the shuttle is actually $5 to take you into town. There you get some mini donuts and hot coffee. I heard those are pretty good. There's a line here. There's the kayak center. Restaurant that way, nature trail, beach trail. All of that over that way. Okay. Oh, they have the Crab House restaurant. I know, we'll figure it out. They're doing the polar plunge down here. Our cruise director is going to be down there too doing it. They're going to get in that ice cold water. So if you come to Huna, there are a few restaurants. I saw a smokehouse, there was a crab house, there were a few other spots to eat if you just want to get off the ship to eat, if you're not taking a tour or anything. All right, almost to the ship. Time to have some lunch. Polar plunge. Wow. It's too cold for that for me, but to each his own. Oh gosh. All right, the walk was taking too long, so I'm back to my, the place I can count on. It's going to be good and quick. All right, we are off to the steakhouse for dinner. It is on deck 11 aft. We couldn't find the elevator that would get us up here, so we just kind of walked up. So we'll figure out where we need to go. The steakhouse dinner was scheduled for my birthday, but we rearranged it. I think I see it here. And there's Carnival Spirit in port with us, and here's overlooking the Serenity deck. Yes. That's Chappelle DJ. Yeah, 30. I already chatted with them. They're just getting off their whale watching tour. All right, steakhouse. Here we go. Fahrenheit Steakhouse. Let me see your kids menu, Joe.
Oh, I don't want the kids menu.
This is the kids menu. For the steakhouse, you have to order off the kids menu. They still have some of the same stuff we have. They have mac and cheese. They have Joe Marie. They have what they call prawn cocktail, which is shrimp.
I want to try. I want to have.
They have beef sliders.
Right now I'm gonna get shrimp.
Filet mignon. They have fish and chips. They have chicken fingers.
I'm gonna have fish and chips.
Banana split, chocolate, and Nutella pizza. You had that before.
Yeah, I want to have that again. Chocolate and Nutella pizza.
Okay.
And also had strawberries on it to make it look like a pizza.
All right, so if you have kids in the steakhouse, they have to order from the kids menu. You can't order from the adult menu because it's a different price. And I want to say the age is 11 and under for kids, but I'll confirm.
Oh, the yellow right here. We want to get free in the road, Jackson. But it's yellow. So I think it's free in the road, Jackson.
Yes, we do have that right now, no, but we
So
do have
pretend like I'm asking my ex to get a block deal. And then the O goes here, so you can get one. And then I'll put mine. Jack, you ready?
None for me, thank you.
Yeah.
I'll take his, actually. Fried avocado with a jam. It's good when you eat it together. You like it, Drew?
I don't like the way it tastes.
Oh my gosh, that is so fancy.
You got the smoked oysters. Ooh. You gotta get a video of that.
It's so good. It's so good.
And that was included?
It's just, yeah, smoked oysters. It was on the sliders.
That was an upcharge? I've never gotten it. I thought it was an upcharge.
Oh, if it was, I'll pay for it. I didn't know. That's calamari on
Here,
top.
get a video of that.
Not calamari. Caviar. They have caviar.
No way it's caviar.
That's caviar.
Star shape.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, with that.
Thank you. Alright, got lobster bisque. Ron got the stuffed mushrooms. Diced stuffed mushrooms, Drew, salad. Jimmer, what'd you get? Oh, yours are gone. Shrimp cocktail, you got one left in there.
No, I got two.
Alright, Joe Marie got fish and chips. It's a big old piece of fish or whatever that is. Hold on, Joe. Don't say ill.
He said fish and chips.
I know. I'm trying to figure out this big old piece of.
I can't see no chips.
The chips are the fries. When they say fish and chips, it's fries.
Joey,
She
I
said
got five
I
too.
can't see the fish.
Joey got five too.
That is the fish, Joe Marie.
I said chips.
Oh, you said the chips. No, those are French fries. Alright, got the ribeye, broccolini, and mashed potatoes with wasabi like I always get.
For my dessert.
Alright, Joe
You can
got
have-
the Nutella pizza.
Like I always get. Whoa.
Yes. Got it. Filming? Yes. Ooh.